Hey, welcome back to the print house, guys. I was in the shop just doing some banners, printing some stickers, and I just wanted to go over the accuracy on the HB Latex basic cutter setup. I get people ask me all the time, you know, how's the accuracy of the cutter itself, and there's been times where it's been off, you know, but I keep the machine clean. I make sure that my marks are good and dense, and it all depends on the material. So today, all I'm printing on is Oracle 3164, something like that. It's a generic calendar, white. And I just wanted to show you, I did a print and cut for this job, and you could see, if you look close, you could see the cut contour on the inside with the bleed, and then you could see the perf cut around it, and you could see I did, these are, what are these, 4 inches? These are 4 inches, okay? So I did about 50 of these, and I did it on a 30-inch roll. So I think I got like 6 up in a set. So print cut, you could see the accuracy is still there, guys. Look at the white. That's the perf, and that's pretty good, man. That tolerance is really good. But most importantly is your bleed on your contour, and there's no radius in that corner. If you could see that, if I could zoom in there. There's no radius on those cut contours. So you can still get accuracy on the HB Latex basic cutter, guys. So I did 50, and I think I ran it twice, and both times were fine. So, you know, the HB Latex basic can give you, you know, what you need as far as your, you know, accuracy settings go. I have a velocity, I think, is like 32 for the cut, and I think I have it around 12 or 15 for my perf cut. I don't go extremely fast with my perf cut. My contour cuts, I pretty much run it max, not max, but I run it quick. I don't really change it up. But as you can see, you know, you can even see the edge where the contour is. It's pretty accurate, guys. I have no problem. I just ran another test of like 12 or something like that, and they were perfect fine. So, but all 50 came out perfect, guys. So, you know, the accuracy is really there. HB Latex 115 is still doing its job, guys. I'm going on, I'm 2.5 years in, and I couldn't be happier with this machine. So, if you're in the market for a 315, 115, 330, whatever, these basic cutters, and even if you step up to the 315 or 330s or whatever, you'll get the plus. You'll get the better cutter, which what that means is you're going to get one extra pinch roller on your cutter. So this one only has 3. So you got 1, 2, 3, and then on the upgraded one, which you'll get with the 315 or 330, whatever, you'll get 4 pinch rollers. So that's actually a plus. So that's a good thing. So anyways, I just wanted to touch base with you guys and do an update video on the accuracy. After 2.5 years, I'm still cutting on the same strip, same 2 blades I've been using. If you dial in your settings for your perf, guys, it will cut all day long with those settings. I am about 245 on the pressure for the perf cut. I am 65 for my contour cut, and this is just a 3.5 mil vinyl, nothing special. So, you know, and if you ever find it starting, and they'll fall out too. If you find it starting to get a little bit harder to pull out, then go up a point or 2 on your full pressure for your perf. So, but that's about it, guys. I just wanted to touch base with you. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit that notification. If you got any questions on the HB Latex or the BN20 or the cutter, basic cutter, let me know, guys. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.